In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your wallet so that you can use it to connect to PRDT Finance. Now, let me say this before I show you, there are multiple Web3 wallets that you can use, but MetaMask tends to be the one that is the most popular. So we'll just use this one for this example. However, you will find that the process is pretty much the same, whether you're using Trust Wallet or another type of Web3 wallet. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's start by first clicking to add it for our browser. Now, one thing I do want to say is that depending on your browser that you're using, you'll want to have a separate browser that you use for your crypto transactions versus the one that you use for your normal web browsing. This is to make sure that you don't have anyone that can install any type of malware or any other type of viruses that will be able to track what you're doing with your crypto wallet and possibly hack it. Okay, so I'm using the Brave browser and I'm going to go ahead and click on download for Brave. Now, when you go to MetaMask, depending on the browser that you have, it's going to automatically show up for you here. So let's go ahead and let's click on that to add it. Then we'll need to go to, in this case, the Chrome store and click on add to Brave. And then we'll click on add extension. Okay. And if we look up here, we can see that it is downloading. Okay. Now, if you don't see it immediately up here in this area, you'll need to add it, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But first, we need to get it set up. So let's go ahead and click on I agree to MetaMask terms of use. We're going to click on create a new wallet because that's what we're doing here. If you have an existing wallet, you can use this option here. But we're going to go ahead and click on create new wallet. Now, for this part, I don't allow this because I don't want them tracking things. So I'm going to go ahead and click on no thanks. Okay, now we need to create a new password. So let's go ahead and create our password for this. And then we'll go ahead and select the terms and click on create new wallet. With securing your wallet, you need to make sure that you never share your recovery phrase. I also need to let you know for this video, the recovery phrase that you see here, you're not going to be able to get into this wallet. There's nothing in here. This is just for tutorial sake. So let's go ahead and click on secure my wallet. And we want to write down our 12-word secret phrase. Now, to reveal that, we go ahead and click on here. Don't forget, there's nothing here. You're not going to be able to hack it. Okay, we're just doing it for the sake of this video. And I'm going to go ahead and click on copy to clipboard. You want to make sure that you have that because you're going to need it later. Also, make sure that you save this in a secure place where no one can find it, because this is how you're going to be able to access some things with your wallet. Okay, let's go ahead and click on next. All right, and now we need to confirm that. So let's go ahead and look and see what those words are. All right, and we'll click on confirm. And now our wallet creation is successful. So let's go ahead and click on got it. And our install is complete. Okay. So we'll click on done. Now we have our wallet set up. Now we want to connect to PRDT Finance. Now I want to show you this also before we do that. Let's go up here and where the extensions are, we want to go ahead and click on MetaMask and click on this little pin option. And that's going to automatically put it up here for us so we can access it at any time. So if we close this and we click on this here, it will automatically bring it up for us right here, and we are good to go. Before we connect to PRDT Finance, we may want to add some of the other networks. So if we come up here and click on where the networks are, we can click on add network and we can select them here. So I'm going to select Polygon mainnet because that's one that we'll need. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to select the BNB chain here and approve. All right. Now we are ready to go. Now, if we want to switch between these, we can do it right here just by clicking and selecting the chain that we want. You can also come and open MetaMask up here and select the network that you want in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect to PRDT. I'm going to select the BNB network to do this. Okay, the BNB chain, and then we'll go over to PRDT and we want to click on launch app. Now to connect, we'll need to go over here to connect, click on that. And we have a number of options that we can use. Now, you can use these options with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or even your phone number or passkey. If you're going to do your passkey, okay, you will need to have your mobile phone connected to do that. But to keep it simple, we're just going to use MetaMask that we've already installed. I do need to make a point to let you know with Coinbase, that one is a little bit different because you need to actually have a Coinbase account. But with this one, we're just going to use MetaMask. Okay. And then we'll need to confirm it in our MetaMask wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on next here and then confirm it. We will need to sign it. So click on confirm here. And there we go. And we can see up here that we are now connected. And now we are ready to start trading on PRDT Pro. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Take care.